Yo, what's up YouTube? It's me once again. This is a Ring indoor cam. Now this one goes for $59.99 everywhere, but I got it for $35. So this is a pretty good camera. I like the quality, 1080p resolution. Now this has to be plugged in the wall at all times. This doesn't have a rechargeable battery. And there is a $3 a month subscription if you want to have recordings on the cloud. You do get a 30-day free trial to check your recordings. After that, you're only able to see live footage. No recordings are stored on the cloud if you don't have the subscription. Is there $3 a month per camera or $30 a year? So just to let you know, a lot of people buy Ring just because they heard a lot of good stuff about it, but they don't do a lot of research and they don't know about the subscription that you have to be paying, so you'll be able to see recorded footage on the cloud, so to have it saved. So let's go ahead and open the seal up right here. This is my third indoor cam that I own. I do put them on my windows facing outside, so there it is. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Now what we got right here first, take out this white box. We have a camera itself. So seen all the back of it. Has a plug right here for the power, and it does have the scan code right here, which I'm not showing it. And then on the bottom, it has for the mounting. So has a little plastic right here, and it says wall mounting. Unscrew this base and reinstall it on the rear. So let's see. And on the rear has this little cover right there. You take it off and you mount it right there. So that's if you're mounting it on the wall. So there's a camera right there. Does have a button right here. Set it up. Here we have nothing else. So there's a white box right there. Now let's go ahead and go with the blue one. Power supply and mounting hardware. We got the mounting hardware right here. Or these are like these anchors and the screws. We got the power cord right here. Got the Ring sticker. And we got the instructions right here. Let me see, let me open it up. Hold on, just want to check something. So you got to download the Ring app from the App Store or the Google Play. These are the instructions. You power it up. Install your camera. Table or shelf, you just place it like that. If you're gonna mount it on the wall, you take that mounting, unscrew it, on the bottom, you take that plastic cap that's behind it, and that's where you're gonna screw it into if you want it on the wall. And then see, unscrew it, and you screw it on the back of the camera. Pretty easy to install. A lot of people complain that it disconnects. Well, let me tell you one thing, man. Mine haven't got disconnected. You gotta have good internet connection, first of all. If you have a laggy, cheap internet, the more Wi-Fi devices you would connect to your Wi-Fi, the less speed you're gonna be getting throughout the other devices. Now, I have 2 Ring cameras. I got a Wisecam, and I have a lot of electronics on Wi-Fi gaming consoles. I got TVs, I got phones, I got tablets, and to be honest, I have AT&T Fiber, and I got the Google mesh Wi-Fi, and ever since I got that, I don't have dead zones. None of my streaming devices buffer anymore, you know. Wi-Fi connectivity, good connection, has a lot to do with these cameras not going offline. So a lot of people call Ring, telling me it disconnects my cameras and all that. Well, that's a problem. That's the first thing I'm gonna tell you. Like, what internet do you have? You know, what speeds do you have? You know. So you really want Wi-Fi security cameras all around your house, you better have even extenders, you know what I'm saying? But a good Google Wi-Fi mesh will do it. Get depends on the square foot of your house, but I got the 3-pack. I got 4. I only got 3 of them connected because my house is not that big. I don't even need the 3 of them, but I just installed 3, so I'll be good, and you know. So just to play it safe. So these, see, you could swivel up and down, left to right. Then you could turn it around, left and right. It all depends. So there it is. This is the unboxing, a little information that I could give you guys before purchasing the Ring cam. These go for $60 because they're only indoor cams. So I don't think they'll last a long time, or they'll survive out there in the heat or the rain, because they're not for outdoor. But the quality is amazing. I have them pointing outside my windows, and it goes through the glass like very clear. At nighttime on the app, it looks very clear as well. You know, it has a mode on the app that it tells you to turn off, I think, the what is it, the if you're gonna put it on the window, facing the window, you turn off the, what is it, the IR lights for night mode of vision. The only thing I do recommend, it does reflect a blue light. That does mess up the image. So what I do recommend, cut a little piece of black electrical tape, cover that little blue light, you're set. You're good to go, man. And you won't even see the black tape. You know, it's not really visible. So that's another tip. 2-way calling on the phone. So it does have a siren. So it's very easy, man. I'm not a, what is it, like a electronic savvy, but you'll learn very quick. It's very easy to use. So there it is, guys. That was the unboxing for that. So like, subscribe, any comments, hit them up. Peace. Happy New Year, and I'm out.